In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use monday.com for scheduling so you can organize tasks, manage timelines, and keep your team on track. First, sign in to your monday.com account and create a new board. You can start with a scheduling template or create a board from scratch. Next, add the essential columns for scheduling. Include a timeline column for start and end dates, a person column to assign tasks, and a status column to track progress. Once your board is ready, start adding your tasks or events as individual items. Enter the appropriate dates in the timeline column and assign each item to the responsible team member. After adding your schedule, click Add View at the top of the board and select Timeline View or Calendar View. These views make it easier to visualize deadlines, project schedules, and upcoming events. If you're managing multiple team members, you can also use the workload view to see who is assigned to tasks and balance responsibilities across your team. To stay on top of deadlines, click Automate and set up reminders or notifications. For example, you can automatically notify team members when a due date is approaching or when a task becomes overdue. Once everything is configured, review your schedule and make any necessary adjustments. monday.com will help you keep projects organized and ensure everyone stays aligned. That's it. You've successfully learned how to use monday.com for scheduling. Thanks for watching.